In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and import items in bulk using Zoho Books, a powerful tool for managing your business finances. Whether you are managing inventory for a small business or overseeing a large-scale operation, learning to efficiently manage item entries is a crucial skill that can save you hours of manual input. Let's dive in. We'll start by logging into your Zoho Books dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the sidebar on the left and click on Items. This will take you to the inventory section where you can view and manage all your existing items. To add a new individual item, look for the New button, typically located at the top right corner of the page, and click it. You're now in the New Item page. First, you'll need to select the type of item you're adding. This is important as Zoho Books allows you to categorize items in a way that suits your business structure, whether it's a product, service, or something else. Next, enter the name of your item. Be as descriptive as possible to ensure clarity when you or your team members retrieve this information later. After naming your item, you'll want to specify the unit, which indicates how your item is quantified, such as in units, kilograms, or meters, depending on what makes the most sense for your product. Now we move to sales information. Fill out the details regarding sale price and tax preferences to ensure the item is correctly categorized for billing purposes. Similarly, head over to Purchase Information to provide data on cost price and associated taxes, ensuring seamless transactions for purchasing inventory in the future. Once all information has been filled out, click on Save to add this new item to your inventory. Now, let's move on to bulk importing items, a feature that's tremendously helpful if you need to enter multiple items at once. Back on the Items page, click on More Actions and select Import Items. This opens up the import interface where you'll begin by choosing a file. Make sure your data is prepared in a supported format like CSV or Excel. Pay attention to settings for duplicate handling, which dictates how existing items with the same identifier are treated. Options usually include updating existing records or skipping duplicates altogether. Similarly, configure character encoding to ensure that your file is read correctly, and set your file delimiter type, often a comma or semicolon, based on your file format. After setting these parameters, click Next to proceed to field mapping. This step is crucial. It ensures that Zoho Books correctly associates columns in your file with the inventory fields. Once mapping is done, you have the option to save this mapping configuration for future imports, a handy feature if you regularly import items with the same structure. Click Next and then the final button, Import, to upload your items into Zoho Books. This process will run automatically, and soon, your entire batch of items will be integrated into your records, ready for use. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to efficiently add and manage items in Zoho Books. With these steps mastered, you're in a strong position to streamline your inventory management process significantly. Stay tuned for more tutorials to maximize your efficiency in using Zoho Books and other business tools.